My name is Zach Coco with Minarik Drives, and in this video we're going to take you step by step on how to wire up the MC10. The first step is going to be to remove the 9 screws that connect the cover to the heatsink. 6 of them are on the front and 3 are on the bottom. The first step is to connect the motor leads to A1 and A2. These are located on the right side of the terminal block. We have to first unscrew the terminal block, put the leads in, and screw them back down. Next, we're going to connect the power leads. There are 3 terminal blocks dedicated to the power leads, one for L1 and 2 of them for L2, one for 230 volts AC and one for 115. Be sure to connect up to whatever voltage you're using. So we'll loosen the leads, plug in L1, tighten it down, and connect L2. Be sure all the terminal leads are tightened securely. Next, we're going to have to adjust the input voltage switch and the armature voltage switch. We're using a 90 volt motor, and factory default sets to 180 armature voltage, so we'll switch it to 90. And factory default is set to 230 volts AC, we're using 115, so switch it to 115. The last step, if your application requires it, is to connect an inhibit switch. This is located right next to the armature voltage switch. It just plugs right in. Now we're going to do a quick test procedure to make sure everything is working properly before we close up the drive. So we'll apply power and slowly turn the speed potentiometer until we get motion in the motor. Now we'll test the inhibit, and everything seems to be working properly. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Minarik Drives. If you have any other questions, please feel free to visit us at www.minarikdrives.com or call one of our application engineers at 815-624-6950.